We have 25 people for 5 sub-teams: drivetrain, hull, solar panels, system controls, and business.
You're about to crash into something.
Okay, I'm gonna drop it real quick.
Okay, good work.
We fabricate our own solar boat from scratch. It's like a 17-foot long boat, completely electric, single occupant, so there's somebody driving it, and it's powered by solar panels. So we would really appreciate any support you can give during Giving Day. All of that money goes towards our project, goes towards getting our members to the competition, and yeah, we really appreciate your generosity.
In the past, Giving Day has been quite an important day for our project team. Last year, we didn't have enough money to buy the trailer and propeller shaft we needed for competition. With our Giving Day funds, we were able to buy both of those items. We currently don't have enough batteries for our boat. We need 2 different sets of batteries for both the speed and endurance races during the Solar Splash competition in June. This year, we're hoping to raise about $2,000 to purchase the 2 sets of batteries, and we would appreciate your support and anything you can give. Thank you so much for your help, and help us win at competition this year.
Yeah, Meg!